Hi Jim, this is Alex from State College Nissan sending you this video of the 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. The color on this is a silver. It comes equipped with the factory navigation system, rear entertainment center, and the towing package. As you can see, it has a nice leather interior. It's got a sunroof. It also has the fold down seats, leather seats in the back, seating for 5. It has the rear entertainment center. And plenty of room in the trunk. So give me a call back. I'd love to schedule a hassle-free test drive for you. Thanks a lot, and we look forward to exceeding your expectations. Bye.